So hello guys, good evening, and today I'm back with a video of how do we manage our board on Pinterest. So to know that, firstly open your Pinterest app. After opening your Pinterest app, in the previous video I taught you about how do we create a board, and we create a board of flowers. And here you can see I have created many boards like this, like craft, to know about. This is the information I keep, and the sites which is helpful, and something beautiful, the beautiful things I like, and the BSCO edits which teach me how to edit, and the rain. I like rain, so I have created a board whole related to rain. So how do we manage? We know we have previously made a board of flowers, and if you see the attractive flowers right here, just click on save and click on flowers. I like this one too, like this seems really meaningful. Just click on save and click on flower. You have managed your board. The whole thing is about flower, the crafts, the whole thing is about crafts. So that's it guys, hope you find our video informative, and if you like our video, please like and subscribe, plus hit the notification bell for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.